Hey guys, come with me and check out our 2022 Forest River Sabre 38 DBQ. This one's got 4 slides, 1 power awning, 2 entries, electric jacks. It's your outside kitchen. You got your sink, fridge, plenty of storage. Come on in, straight into the living room. Your love seat, that's gonna fold out into a sleeper. You've got a table for 4. Nice kitchen island. Electric fireplace. 3-burner stovetop. Of course, your microwave. Residential refrigerator. Come back here to the bunk room. This couch is going to fold out into a sleeper. You've got this bunk that folds up out of the way if you need it to. And then you've got all this storage. You can put a little TV there. And then you've got not 1, but 2 separate loft spaces. There we go. This one's pretty unique. It's got a bathtub with your shower. Of course, you've got your medicine cabinet, vanity, your commode, and that is your second entry. All right, come on with me. It's a cute little coffee bar. Of course, pantry space. All right, let's check out the master bathroom. And plenty of room in that shower, even a little seat. You've got your medicine cabinet, sink, more storage underneath, and your master suite. King size bed, walk-in closet, 3-drawer dresser, your washer dryer be housed right in here, and then of course plenty of closet space. All right. If you guys have any questions with our 2022 Salem 38 DBQ Bunkhouse, give us a call at 903-447-2633. Thanks for watching.